name the Finals MVP trophy in your honor.
Thank you very much for the honor. Thank you very much.
Sir, baka po, you have something to say.
Well, this is indeed a great honor for me and a humbling one. No? So thank you very much, guys. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga kagahapon. So, maraming salamat. Thank you.
So, na po, ang inaantay natin, trophy reveal. At, sorry Sir Mon, as token of appreciation, bibigyan din po namin kayo ng replica ng para maalala rin po na yung inyong greatness in your career sa PBA and Philippine basketball. Sir, thank you po.
Dagdag po sa collection.
Replica.
Wow, cute.
May roller dyan. Talagang
Sukat po yan.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.